Welcome to the inaugural Informa Connect Medical Education Division Women's Health Summit, uniting expertise for a healthier tomorrow. Join us for a pioneering event dedicated to advancing women's health across all stages of life. Explore critical topics from contraception and fertility to cardiovascular risks, cancer prevention, dermatological care, pain management, mental health, and beyond. Whether you're a physician, nurse practitioner, physician assistant, or any healthcare professional, this summit promises insights and strategies that are integral to women's health. Set in the serene La Cantera Resort and Spa in San Antonio, Texas, our venue provides the perfect backdrop for learning, collaboration, and professional growth. Don't miss this opportunity to shape the future of women's health care. Join us at the Women's Health Summit to empower, educate, and innovate. Together, we can make a lasting impact on women's health and well-being. Be a part of this transformative experience. Secure your spot today.